Hundreds of forecaster jobs, along with hours at the local National Weather Service offices, are on the chopping block in the new federal budget. We've learned the White House proposal makes large cuts to the NWS after one of the worst hurricane seasons on record. Investigative reporter Laura Geller has more on the concerns.
The president's budget proposal slashes funding by more than $75 million next year, and that's going to force job cuts. We've uncovered the plan is to get rid of almost 250 forecaster positions.
We think this is really a dangerous move.
We've learned of the 248 forecaster positions on the chopping block. Right now, 110 are filled, meaning actual people could lose jobs. Jobs where they try to keep you and your property safe in the most threatening conditions. This budget brief we've obtained shows the NWS is moving toward the plan which was leaked to us a year ago. We were first to tell you about the proposal to change certain field offices from operating on a 24/7 schedule to normal business hours. A Commerce Department spokesperson now confirms to increase staffing flexibility, operation times at various offices will be reduced.
No metropolitan areas or area, even rural areas of this country are more important than others. They should all have forecasters there on weekends at nights. Watching the radars, doing a weather watch, and making sure that the citizens of that area are safe.
That spokesperson would not tell us on the record if our local office in Wakefield would close at certain times. It was an option in the leaked presentation.
So the whole Norfolk, Virginia Beach area would no longer have weather forecasters sitting in there watching the radar at night or on weekends to see if a tornado is approaching.
Officials say to minimize potential risk, there would be collaboration with other offices.
It would probably be somebody in like Sterling, Virginia, who also has responsibilities for Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. And if all three areas were being impacted by severe weather at the same time, I guarantee you which ones would get priority.
The White House proposal would also merge the only two tsunami warning centers into one center for the entire country. It decreases funding for some environmental prediction work. The draft also slows upgrades to the system, which represented a massive improvement in flood forecasting, and decreases the program that extends the life on the aging radar system. Officials write difficult decisions and trade-offs must be made among program priorities to ensure that NOAA most effectively meets its mission mandates and supports stakeholders. While the deadline to see which cuts make it in the final budget comes in just a few days, there's concern this plan is a storm brewing.
I'm afraid it's going to cost lives.
There are a lot of details and fine print in this proposal. If you want to take a look for yourself, we've put it all online for you. Just head to this story in the 13 News Now Investigate section of our website. Laura Geller, 13 News Now.